Are reusable caulk tube caps meaningfully more eco-friendly than single-use preservation systems for reducing plastic waste and extending product life? Reusable caps reduce landfill plastic by replacing 100 single-use pieces with a single durable item that lasts through many cycles. Choose caps made from thermoplastic elastomer or silicone that resist solvent swelling and retain elasticity after repeated exposure to caulk ingredients. When you apply a cap, press it firmly onto the tapered nozzle until it seats against the shoulder and twist slightly to create a thread-like friction seal. This simple action prevents skinning and cures inside the tip. For tapered nozzles that wear or clog, swap to a replacement nozzle designed to match the original bead size rather than forcing a clogged tip and cutting new openings that leave surplus waste. Store partially used cartridges upright in a small container with the cap on and keep at moderate temperature away from direct sun to limit pressure buildup and chemical changes that can compromise the cap seal. For professional teams, measure remaining volume by weight or by expressing a small amount into a waste bucket so you know when to keep a cartridge for multiple jobs instead of discarding after a single use. The three most common mistakes are relying on thin disposable caps that crack under solvent exposure, cutting the nozzle too short and then losing the ability to reseal, and leaving tubes exposed to heat, which accelerates curing. Use thicker reusable rubber caps or silicone stoppers to avoid cracking, and inspect caps for surface gloss changes that indicate chemical attack. Cut nozzles conservatively and keep a small set of correctly sized replacement nozzles so you can restore sealing geometry instead of throwing the tube away. Move partially used tubes to a cool shaded spot and keep them upright with a secure cap to slow cure and extend usability. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists products and practical tips related to caulking and preservation, so we help people make greener choices. We also operate an active discussion community where our members trade experiences about reusable caps, replacement nozzles, and bulk stoppers so contractors and homeowners can learn from each other.